Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at a microphone from Fifine, the A6T. This is more of a budget option, around $50 on Amazon right now. So let's open the box and see what we got. All right, let's open her up here. All right, looks like we have user's manual, some foam, power cable. Looks like USB to USB-C. Let's see, a little pop filter here. Has a little fine smiley face on it. We have a desk clamp. And the microphone itself. It's very light. It is a lot of plastic, but doesn't really feel cheap. Under here, it actually comes with a boom arm. For 50 bucks, coming with a boom arm, kind of a big deal. But let's get it set up and see how it works. The first thing that you notice about the microphone itself is going to be the RGB light. Unfortunately, you cannot change the color pattern, cannot have it set to a specific color. However, it honestly doesn't bother me. You really don't notice it once you're using the microphone. It kind of just adds to aesthetics. It also serves as the mute function, so it does let you know when it is muted. The microphone does have a tap to mute. It's not really a button, it's more of just a little tap. And when the light goes off, your microphone is muted, which I believe, honestly, all mics should have that type of function to it, considering it's just so easy. It's right there. Now, the most important part is going to be how it actually sounds. If you can't tell from the beginning of my video up until now, the audio has completely changed since I've been using this. Let me know what you think. Write a comment below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It does help out the channel. But let's get into some of the features of the Fifine A6T. Some of the functions of the microphone itself. The first one would be what we already mentioned before, which would be the tap to mute. The microphone does have a tap button on the top. You don't really have to push it. It's more of just a touch. And it automatically mutes the microphone and turns the RGB lighting off, letting you know that it is muted. Second thing would be the pop filter. Pop filter is nothing special. It is smaller than a lot of pop filters out there, which I actually like because it's not as in your face and pronounced. Honestly, I don't even know if it's really necessary on this microphone. If you're just doing live streaming or anything like that, possibly if you're using it for a podcast. The shock mount seems to be built very well. It doesn't have those thin rubber bands on it. It has a thicker nylon, which seems like that would actually hold up a lot longer than some of the cheaper shock mounts that I've seen out there. Now, a feature I actually love about this is it does have adjustable volume on the bottom, so you can turn it all the way down, turn it all the way up. So you do have adjustments right there at your fingertips. Fifine itself has been around since I believe 2009. However, it's just been the last couple years where they've kind of blown up in the budget marketplace. When it does come to microphones, a lot of YouTubers and live streamers have been using them because it is a budget-friendly option. And honestly, for the audio quality you get for a sub $100 microphone, boom arm, and shock mount, can't really beat that. So after using this microphone for a while, I can honestly say that I'm a fan. For the price tag and what you get for that price tag, first and foremost, the audio quality. You get the microphone, pop filter, shock mount, and a boom arm for 50 bucks. Honestly, I don't think that can be beat. It also comes in different colors. I believe they have a blue, white, and a pink, along with the black version that I have here. So check them out. Links will be down below. Let me know what you think. Good, bad, ugly, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you next time.